Hi, this is Lori from the Paint Girly channel, and today I got my package, and what I expect in here is my Prismacolor pencils that I ordered. I had mentioned on a live stream that I had ordered from a gal. She had 120 Prismacolor pencils for $45, shipping included, and I don't know whether it's a good deal or a not so good deal. I mean, they could be busted, run over by a truck. I wasn't expecting it in this great big Hampton Bay light box. And if you hear some pounding and some noises in the background, we've got some gentlemen here today doing some prep for some cement work. But I can't wait any longer. I've had them for a couple of hours and I want to open them up. So here we go. They're still in plastic. A little torn there. I don't know if there's a date, if they date these. Like when I looked them up to kind of check the price, this seemed to be an older set because of this picture that's on the tin. I don't know, guys. Now I did notice, okay, so the tin is dented a little bit there. Hopefully, most if not all the pencils are in good shape. I mean, this is, really dirty and grungy. So I've got this little, instruction book. Let's see if there's a date on that. The pencils look different than my pencils. Prismacolor. They're hard to see because it's got that gold. I want to see if you can see. Anybody that works with Prismas knows that this is this is different than if you just bought new pencils, like, now. I have no idea what these are. Got a pencil sharpener, and I guess these are supposed to be here. I don't know if this says what's included. Let's see. I never bought this many at once before. And now these are supposed to be regular. It says colored pencils. This is just, this is an art stick. I guess they give you 2 art sticks, and I guess you can buy them separately. And then it's got all these little tiered steps. I don't know, guys. They look pretty good. One, 2, 3, 4 trays. They all look pretty good. I think I got a deal. I mean, they do look older, but someone said to me the older Prismas are better. See, this is a recent Prisma color pencil. This is 908, the dark green. This is 908 dark green. So look, I don't know, the size maybe looks the same, but this one's printed in gold. I keep moving it too quickly and I'm missing that sweet spot. Yeah, I can't get it. I can't get it. Am I making you crazy? Oh my gosh, Keisha does this and it like focuses right up. Anyway, I don't know. They look pretty good. They just look like they're an older set. I don't see a date on it anywhere. Did I already put? Oh yeah, look, I'm not stacking them right. I think I'm supposed to offset them a little bit. So there you have it. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. I can't even stand it. I have to look and see all what colors are included. I can look on the back of the tin. What's this one? 902. Ultramarine. Let me see if I can flip it over. Yeah, so the tint's just dented a little bit there. Now I'm going to get a, there we go, 120 brilliant colors. And 2 art sticks. I have no idea what those are for. I just wanted to see if there was a date. So I am very, very excited about this. Now, this lady had a couple more sets of these, but when I looked the other day, she had doubled the price, which is more normal, really, for this size set. So I think I did good. Leave me a comment if you think I got a deal or not so good of a deal. All right, it's just a quick little video to show you my pencils. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.